Now, in the Apple iPhone 17 series, you're getting a new feature called Center Stage. It's available in the iPhone 17 series, but it's not in older models. You can also find it on iPads. Basically, what this means is that when you open the selfie camera, your phone will automatically adjust the frame to keep you in the center. It'll zoom in and rotate on its own. If you want to disable this feature, you can. In this video, we'll show you how to disable the Center Stage feature on your Apple iPhone. To start, open the Camera app. Next, open the selfie camera by clicking this button. Once you do that, you'll see a button up top. Click it. When you tap it, you'll see two options, Auto Zoom and Auto Rotate. If they're turned on, that means the Center Stage feature is enabled. If you don't want that, just turn them off. When you do, it won't automatically zoom or rotate, so Center Stage will be disabled. That's how you can easily turn off the Center Stage feature on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.